In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change financial year end in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to lock in your chosen year end so your reports line up the way you expect. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online company with the right permissions to update settings. Start on your QuickBooks dashboard. Look to the top right and open the settings icon, the little gear. From there, choose Account and Settings. This is the control center for your company preferences, and it's where QuickBooks keeps the options that affect reporting and accounting behavior. Inside Account and Settings, switch to the Advanced tab. Advanced is where you'll find the Accounting section, which controls the dates and protections that define your financial year. In the Accounting section, click Edit to make changes. If you don't see the option to edit, double-check that you're in the correct company and that you have admin access. Next, locate the Close the Books option. Toggle it on. Turning this on tells QuickBooks to respect a cutoff, which helps safeguard your prior period numbers from accidental edits. This is an important step when changing your financial year end because it establishes the point where last year ends and the new year begins. Now click into the Closing Date field. Pick the date that represents the end of your financial year. For many businesses, that's the last day of a month such as December 31st, March 31st, June 30th, or September 30th, but choose the date that matches your organization's year end. Take a moment to confirm the date carefully. Once you save, QuickBooks will treat transactions before that date as part of the closed period. When you're satisfied, click Save. QuickBooks records your choice and applies it across your reports and period protections. If you see a Done button, go ahead and close out of the Settings window. A couple of tips as you wrap up. It's a good idea to coordinate this date with your accountant so your tax filings and financial statements align. If you need to revisit the date later, you can return to the same advanced settings and adjust it. Just remember that changing the closing date affects how prior period activity is handled. Finally, after saving, review a report like profit and loss across the new year boundary to make sure the year-end cutoff falls where you expect. That's it. You've updated the financial year-end in QuickBooks Online and set a closing date to protect your prior period. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher.